Hello guys, in this video we will see how to fix LOFs or stuttering in Counter-Strike. We will cover everything you need to know. Let's get started. Step update graphics drivers and operating system content. Ensure your graphics card drivers are up to date for NVIDIA. Download the latest game-ready driver from their official website, choosing a clean installation option if available, and users should update via the Adrenaline software, and Intel EQ users should check for updates through their official support page. Outdated drivers are a frequent cause of performance issues. Additionally, ensure your Windows operating system is fully updated, as these updates often include critical performance patches and bug fixes that can impact game stability and
Step optimize in-game video settings. Content access Counter-Strike's video settings and lower demanding options. Set global shadow quality to medium or low model, texture detail to low and shader detail to low. Disable boost player contrast. Wait for vertical sync, and NVIDIA reflects low latency unless you experience significant screen tearing and have NVIDIA. In which case set it to enabled boost. Use your monitor's native resolution or a slightly lower competitive resolution, like XD, if you are looking for maximum and do not mind a slight decrease in visual clarity.
Step the configure launch options and power plan content in Steam. Right-click Counter-Strike, select Properties, and under the General tab find Launch Options. Add the following commands: High Novid, no joy. High prioritizes usage. Novid skips the intro video, and no joy disables joystick support, freeing up miner resources separately. Go to Windows Power, Sleep Settings, click Additional Power Settings, and choose the High Performance Power Plan for NVIDIA users. Open the NVIDIA Control Panel, go to Manage vid Settings, select and set Power Management Mode to prefer maximum performance.
Step 4. Monitor hardware and close background applications. Content use monitoring software like MSI, Afterburner, Who Monitor, or the Task Manager's Performance tab to check your PU and input temperatures. While playing, high temperatures can lead to thermal throttling, reducing performance. Ensure your cooling system is cleaned and functioning correctly. Open Task Manager to processes, navigate to the Processes tab, and close any unnecessary background applications that consume significant RAM or disk resources. With browsers, streaming apps, and other games running in the background can heavily impact SIS performance. Step verify game files and consider reinstallation content. If issues persist, verifying the integrity of Counter-Strike's game files can often resolve problems caused by corrupted or missing data. In Steam, right-click, go to Properties, then Installed Files, and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. This process will check and repair any discrepancies. If verification doesn't help, a clean reinstallation might be necessary. Uninstall the game, then manually check and delete any remaining folders in your Steam directory before downloading and installing it again. Ensure you have ample free space on your drive. I delete and for better load times and overall responsiveness.